Are you going on vacation and need to pause your services and payments? Today we'll show you can pause and resume your subscription templates in bulk, which means all your customers on a subscription template with the payment collection date set to collect on a specific date will be paused at the same time. Let's get started. Imagine you run a personal training business and need to pause your weekly coaching subscription payments for 2 weeks while you go on vacation. Firstly, go to the subscription template details page. Find the template you want to pause. Click into it and then click Manage in the top right-hand corner, then Payment Schedules. From here, click Schedule New Pause. Choose how long you want to pause the subscription. In this case, that's 2 weeks. You can see all your weekly charge dates in purple. Now, select the 2 weeks you're going to be on holiday and click Apply. On the right-hand side, you can now see a summary of which payments are skipped and the next charge date. Click Continue and check all the details in the pop-up box. Once you're happy, click Schedule Pause. All subscriptions on this template will automatically resume on the date you selected. If you need to change the resume date after the pause has taken effect, simply click Resume and add the new date you want the subscription to restart. You can also pause a subscription template until further notice if you want to pause one of your templates indefinitely. This time in the drop-down, select Pause until further notice, and then choose the date you'd like to pause the subscription template from. Click Continue and then Schedule Pause to confirm. Once the pause is in place and you decide you want to resume the subscription, click Resume. Choose when you want your payments to start again and schedule your changes. Remember, all subscriptions tied to the template you selected will be paused and will resume automatically on the dates you've set. So if you have 10 customers on a subscription template, all 10 of their subscription payments will be paused and resumed at the same time. Any new customers you add to that template in the interim will also be paused. Your customers will receive separate notifications when their subscription template is paused, resumed, or if you make any changes to the scheduled action. If you'd like to check the status of which subscription templates are paused, find the relevant template in Subscription Templates, click Manage, and then Payment Schedule for an overview of all the current and scheduled pauses. Thanks for watching!